Hello everyone! Today I would like to share a personal story about my health and about the new device I started using. So some of you already know that I've been diagnosed and I've been suffering from Hashimoto disorder. It's already been like 15 years, and one of the side effects is that I'm losing a lot of hair. So you can see this is my hairbrush from a while ago, and there has been a lot of hair. And when I'm losing my hair, I'm losing my confidence as well, unfortunately. So that's why I decided to try out a new brand. The brand is called HairMax, and I got some products and a device from them. So I've been using the shampoo and conditioner from them. I also got hair booster and a serum. But actually, what is the most important is a PowerFlex Laser Cap 202. This device looks like this. It's super easy to use. So to start, I'm just pressing this button, and I have two options: 15 minutes long or 30 minutes long. So actually, this is a medical grade laser, and it's very light and it's also water resistant. It's a silicone cap here. So I set the time up. I can put it on my head. It's very light and comfortable, and I can do whatever I need. Also, I can, if I want to go outside, I can always hide it under the cup. So it looks like this. I can easily walk around the house or go outside and do my tasks. At the same time, laser is working. My hair are growing healthier and denser. So it makes me very happy, and there are not really side effects. So that's why I feel very safe using it, and I definitely recommend it to anyone else.